From the heart of Hangzhou, China, the story began. In 1994, Polytech started with a vision, a technical collaboration with Zhejiang University that laid the foundation for something greater. By 1998, Polytech Plastic Machinery Company Limited was officially established, setting new standards in the design, manufacturing, and supply of plastic extrusion equipment. For more than 25 years, Polytech has combined science, engineering innovation, and unmatched quality. From PVC and WPC extrusion lines to molds, cutting systems, and auxiliary equipment, every machine is built for performance, precision, and durability. From its main factory in China, Polytech's technology has reached over 100 countries across Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. And in 2023, Polytech Middle East was founded in Istanbul, a regional hub dedicated to serving partners across Turkey, Egypt, Algeria, Morocco, and beyond. Today, Polytech continues to grow, powered by over 2 decades of expertise and trusted by more than 500 international partners, delivering turnkey solutions, technical support, operator training, and continuous after-sales service, all under one name. Our philosophy says it all: excellent quality, perfect as one. Polytech Middle East, global expertise, local service.